So, do you think they guessed right?
I don't know. They're all over the place, really. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage. Well, today, listen, instead of teasing you guys with the wheel and tire setup, that's going to take about another month because I'm going to get these tires through the dealership with the April sale, which is buy 3 and get the 4th tire for free. That way I'll save some money on one of the tires. I'm going to go ahead and reveal right now to you guys the color of the TRD wheels that I did buy for a steal, if I have to say. I don't even want to say the price because I think it was such a great deal. But I tell you what, I'm going to put the price right up here. And you tell me in the comments down below if you were able to find a set for less than me. Mind you, they were shipped to my house for that price. I know you guys like an unboxing. So because I couldn't tease you guys any longer, let's face it, I still got to wait till April to get the tires. Why don't we open one of these together? Let's see who out there actually guessed the correct color on these wheels. I think from the teasing I've been doing, I kind of gave it away already. But let's see. Ready? There it is. Yes. I ended up getting them in this beautiful copper color. Is it copper or is it bronze? Because I've heard both names called. And I want to go with, I think it's more of a bronze than anything else. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think this color is? Is it a copper or is it bronze? I'm starting to think it's more of a bronze than anything else. And yes, when you do order these, they come with the center caps. Let me get the part number for you guys. And this would be the part number you're looking for. For today's project, I have watched a couple of videos, but I strongly recommend you guys to watch a professional do this because I'm not even going to sugarcoat it for you. This is the first time that I'm doing it. So you might be about to witness me fail at applying some of this ceramic coating from not being sponsored by them, but I ended up just going with this product. And yeah, I'm going to ceramic coat these wheels. We shall see what happens here. Supposedly, it's really important that you use this microfiber applicator, they call it. And as I will try to demonstrate in a second, you really do not need to spray a lot of this to cover a wheel like this. But hey, you know what? Let's learn together and see what happens here. So, a couple of squirts. That's it. Now, we do it by sections. Just try to get it on the edge here. So right now it's curing, and my understanding is that the key here is you want to wait roughly between 2 to 3 minutes, but as soon as it does it, I'll bring it back for you guys. you need to see a rainbow effect going. When that happens, then it's time to wipe. It's been roughly, I want to say 5 minutes. Honestly, I'm not picking up any sorts of rainbows in here. Didn't see any leprechauns, but now the key is same pad. This is the one we used. You want to go on the other side, and all you do is just wipe it. That's all you're doing, wiping it. Maybe somebody in the comments section can tell me if I'm doing this wrong. Well, I certainly hope I'm not, because I really would hate to create any kind of damage to these wheels. All right, I'll show you guys a final result when I'm done. This is a before. And this would be after. Honestly, can't really tell the difference. Wow, so I put them next to one another. Can you tell which one has been already ceramic coated? I can. It's almost really hard not to see it. Yep, this one. It's crazy, right? Looks darker. That's amazing. As always, guys, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank every single one of you for all the support you've given me. We have reached 2,000 subscribers, man. I know. For some YouTubers out there, that's probably like a tiny number. To me, huge milestone, and I am forever grateful for the support you guys are giving me. And don't forget, stay tuned, because other than the tires that are coming next month, I'm going to be doing a lot of work on the S1000. I don't know if you can see back there, but there's a bunch of boxes. That's all S2000 stuff, which reminds me, almost forgot. I kid you not, I don't know if you guys saw the video. I actually won some kind of contest a few months back with LHT Performance. You guys, if you're an S2000 guy, forget being an S2000 guy. If you're a car guy and you're not subscribed to the LHT Performance channel, you're missing out. These guys are freaking awesome, man. You see that? 1,000. I won something again. How does this even happen? It's beyond me. And John, oh my God, John, thank you so much. You are crazy, my friend, because I'm unworthy. This is too much. There's a box filled with stuff. You guys are going to have to stay tuned. I'm going to reveal everything that's in here, but it's, oh my God, it's amazing. It's dope, as they say. I'm like beyond grateful, guys. They actually left me a note in here that I do want to show you guys that. Unbelievable. Look at that. They are so cool. And it's such a cool channel. They're always giving so many tech tips, so many ways to fix your S2000. And they're car guys. Some of the cars that go through their shop are just off the hook. Anyhow, guys, stay tuned. Lots more coming. Plenty of TRD stuff. I got packages coming in. And as always, guys, enjoy your cars, and I will see you on the next one. Can somebody please explain? What am I looking at here? What is this thing? Those got to be the tiniest wheels I've ever seen in my life. It's a Honda, and it says Acti. What the heck is a Honda Acti? Is that even a Y or a V? I gotta get next to this thing. Here we go. Okay. What the hell is this? A better shot. Boy. That is tiny.